Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag regular and my Ipsy Plus for March of 2021. I'm also going to give you my thoughts and opinions on these products because I did use these for my Instagram reels, so if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, I will have it linked below. I've been having so much fun doing Instagram reels, so I did kind of like a try on with most of the products that came in here, which I have to say I'm kind of like pretty impressed, but then I'm a little kind of like meh about some of them, but I'll let you know the tea. But yeah, if you are into these types of videos from me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already viewing this video, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So I'm not sure exactly when my Instagram reels are going to go up, if it's going to be before I upload these videos or after, but they will be there so you can see me have a little bit of a try on. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into my $12 bag first, and then once I'm done showing you the products, I am going to explain to you guys what's going on with my Ipsy account, because there has been a few questions, there's been a little bit of hate, so I'm just going to talk about that when I unbag everything. So anyways, very first product in here is from Way, which I think is how you pronounce it. This is the leave-in conditioner. I whiffed this. I took a nice little smell of it, and it smells really, really good, and I cannot wait to actually try it. And I also have to apologize about my voice. I have had really bad allergies, and I lost my voice yesterday. Barely could talk, and today it's better, but I have to keep like drinking water, or else, you know, it's not a fun time. I cough, and then it makes my head hurt, and you guys know. Anyways, next up from Arceli, this is the Oyo Perfectos liquid eyeliner. I actually already have this, and it's a really great eyeliner. I did use it today, and it has a really nice tip on it that's really firm. So if you want to do a wing, I think this is going to work for you very, very well. I have been recently doing wings, and I think this is going to be a winner for sure. And then next up we have this little Seed to Skin Scrub Natural Grain Polish for your face from Sela. I think that's how you pronounce it. Cute packaging, and this smelled really good, and it felt like really exfoliating on the back of my hand. When I did it on my Instagram reel, I had a little bit of foundation from another reel on the back of my hand, and it scrubbed the foundation away really, really nicely, and it smelled really good, so I can't wait to play with that in the shower. The next product I used on my face today, the KVD Lock-It Translucent Powder. Actually, a really great powder. I am excited to use this up. I'm really sad that I sold the last one that I had, but glad that I have it back because it's actually a good powder. Talking just really does not feel very good. And then the last item in the $12 bag is actually this highlighter, which I'm wearing right now. Really, really beautiful. My only complaint is it doesn't really melt into the skin. It just kind of sits on top of the skin, but it works really good for my skin tone. It looks really, really pretty. So this is from St. Luxe. The only complaint I have about this, oh, and in the shade Celestial, the only complaint I have about this is the brand itself, and that's because I first heard of this brand when they came in boxycharm, I think well over a year ago, and we got a trio of really terrible eyeliner pencils. And we did like some research on the brand, and it was one of those kind of like Alibaba type brands where, you know, it's really cheap, but they just like get it mass produced somewhere and then they throw a name on it, and that's what this brand was. I'm not sure like where this brand is now, like in existence, but that's just the information that I found a year and a half ago. It was just a really, you know, like a filler brand, you know what I mean? Like somebody owns like 12 companies, and then like that's what we see in subscription boxes. You guys know what I mean? Anyways, regardless, beautiful highlighter. I thought this was going to be really dark, but it's actually not. It doesn't give me dark cast, and it is really beautiful. It just sits on the skin. It doesn't melt in, which is something I don't like, but it still looks really good regardless. Like, I could sit here and film with it. It just, I would feel a little weird going out in public and people looking at my highlighter thinking it's kind of weird that you look like you just drew that on your face and it doesn't really blend into the skin. Anyways, next up, Ipsy Plus bag here. I have some really great products in here to show you. you. So number one, I have the Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush, which I have gotten in Ipsy in the past. I got it in February of 2019, but I'm glad to have another one. It's a really nice soft brush. This is the one I use with like primers and serums and stuff that I'll put on my face before I do foundation, or if I'm just putting serums on my face on its own, like at night or whatever. So this actually has stuff infused in the bristles. I forget what it is. I think it's like collagen or something. Groundbreaking anti-aging skincare infused brush hair. So yeah, I don't know how effective it would be when you like clean your brush and stuff, but it's a really nice brush from It Cosmetics. Love it, love it, love it. Let's talk about the eyeshadow palette, which I do have my eyes right now. Pleasantly surprised, you guys. This is the Shades by Shan X MBY Makeup Studio. Yes, I was pleasantly surprised by this palette. It blended really well. The colors that I used this shade, this shade, this shade, and this shade here, and it kind of reminded me of using a Juvia's Place palette. Honestly, like when I was playing with it, I was like, am I using a Juvia's Place palette? It was actually pretty good, so I don't think you're going to be disappointed if you got this, because it actually blended really, really well. I had a little bit of a problem with like the dark color, but I have problems with dark colors all the time. I just popped the shimmer over it and it looked really good, and I went about my day. I've been gone for a couple of hours, did a little bit of some working out. I walked with my friend Sarah. I don't know how much you would call walking mile-and-a-half a workout, but that's what I did. Anyways, next up, Florence by Mills. This is the Glow Yeah Lip Oil. Now, let me just say that this product was completely full when I tried it, and now it's like all the way down to here. I might have put a little bit too much oil on my lips. So this isn't gonna last very long because I put about as much as I would put like normally on my lips, like a lip gloss. And I used this much, so I don't think that this is gonna last very long, but I really liked it on my lips. Like, it was pleasantly surprising. Like, I really liked this. Next up, we have the, I don't know what this is, KOA Life Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. I put this on the back of my hand too, and I snipped it and I wiped it around, and pleasant scent, very liquidy if I do say so myself, but I think it's going to be a really great cleanser. Woo! So I can't wait to put this in the shower and use it. It smells really good. Last product in the bag is from Haus Labs, and this is the only product I was a little like bummed out about. I was really excited. This is the shade Burlesque, and it's beautiful. Like, it's a beautiful packaging, beautiful color. Here is the packaging here, and then the color, and it has like literal like burlesque type stripes where it's like really glittery. The only problem is it's very metallic, and I'm not sure, it's called Sparkle Lipstick, but it looks so metallic. I'm not sure if this is like a metallic lipstick or just a like a regular lipstick, but it's very metallic-y. It reminded me of Poinsettia, the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick shade. It was very metallic-y looking, but like creamy. Like, the formula felt so good, but I just didn't like the metallic look of it, and that's the only issue, is that I just didn't like that it was very metallic-y. But other than that, pleasantly surprised. They did send a few more items over, which I'm going to show you. So this is a part of the Refreshments line, and I didn't know they had deodorant, and when I saw that, I got really excited. So I have two deodorants here. I have the Breezy deodorant in Eucalyptus Julep, I can't speak, and unscented. So let's take a whiff. If I can even use my smeller today, because, you know, allergies right now. I guess unscented is unscented because I don't think I smell anything. And then Eucalyptus Julep, I can definitely smell it, and that smells really, really good. So I'm excited to try these out. I hope that these will really keep my armpits and my smells underway, because, you know, when I get hot and sweaty, my armpits smell, you know? The only thing that I've found so far that has worked really well for me is the Dove. It's in the white bottle thing, and it's for like evening your skin tone or something. That would work so well and last all day. It's not like I need to even my skin tone, but that's the only one like the scent lasts and I don't get burgers and fries under my armpits, you know? And then the next one is the Pearly Body Wash Citrus Spritz. I'm excited about this too. And it smells really good. So that's everything that I got this month. So let me quickly explain to you guys what happened with my regular Ipsy profile. So for the longest time, you guys know I've been getting like the spinning pink circle of death where I can't get on their website, can't do anything, like it just won't work. Sometimes I can click different links and it'll get me in there, but if I click like Glam Bag or something, it would mess up and say, please refresh the page. Well, it wasn't until March 1st or March 2nd that they were like, oh, you can't choose your products because you're part of Ipsy's Open Studios. Even though I've always been able to choose my products except for one time since they started it back in October, I think. So, I mean, I don't really know where the truth is there, but I've complained like every month to Ipsy, like, why is this not working? Why is this not working? Why am I having issues with this? They've always told me that they were working on it. They knew about the issue, blah, 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 blah. And it wasn't until this time, this month, that they said, it's because you're a part of Ipsy Open Studios, that's why it's not working. So I'm like, okay, so how come I was able to choose every single time before and it's just now it's not working for me? I didn't understand. So anyways, I think some people thought I was complaining about that when I posted it on my community tab. I wasn't complaining, I was just like, this is what it is. And a lot of people were like, you shouldn't be able to choose your PR. That's not what I was talking about. And a lot of people got kind of confused with what I was saying, and I wasn't complaining and I wasn't talking about PR, but now that you guys know. So anyways, today I re-signed up. New email, new card, and I'm still having issues. So I'm like, I contacted Ipsy, I'm still waiting to hear back from them. But like they contacted me once, and then I, messaged them again and I haven't heard back. But I'm like, I still can't get on your website and it's all new stuff. Like, what's going on? Why is it just me? But it's not me, it's everybody that's in Open Studios. But like, it's a new thing, so I'm confused. But yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Sorry it's a longer video and sorry that I sound like this. Anyways, I'll definitely edit out all of the coughing because I've coughed about 100 times. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I want to know what you got in your bag. What did you choose? Let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!